Hi, my name's Mandidextrous and you're watching my masterclass for Soundteams. So in this masterclass, I'm going to be going through a very recent track of mine called Watch the Drops, which came out on Neuroheads Recordings. I wanted to run through my method of madness. I wanted to show you what I use to pick my sounds, certain different presets or synths, and also different samples and so on and so forth that I throw together. I also wanted to go through my go-to plugins. I tend to use synth-wise a lot of Nexus, Serum, some massive Shaperbox, Valhalla stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna kind of go through how I start this track and how I worked backwards into the build-up, into the intro, and then also going the other way towards my techno section. I'm hoping that the way that I do this is like a really basic format for some of you. For others, it might be a bit of an advanced format, I don't know, but I just wanted to break the track down for you guys so you get a good feel of what I've done. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'm excited to show you what goes on in this tune. So yeah, let's go.